Yo, what's up, guys? It's another day. Let's get started. Okay, righty, gang. We just gonna take another trade here on Aussie Cat. As you guys can see, Aussie Cat is a beautiful breakout and retest setup. So we plan to take this trade right now. As you guys can see, the count is currently now at, just get this, 9,100, and we still have this position open, guys, at Aussie dollar. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get into this trade right now and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So you guys can see right here, let me just do this. So you guys can see I'm risking 1% again on this trade, and this is gonna be Aussie Cat, guys. I'm gonna enter this buy position right now. Buy fill. You guys can see I just entered this position right here, Aussie Cat. And the other trade we're currently having is Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar, guys, was supposed to be one of the best trading setups. I'm just gonna show you guys right now. As you guys can see, we have this beautiful breakout retest. So I was basically entered this trade right there, but now you guys can see we just have this strong move here to the downside. My stop is just under here, under the daily lows. Let me just show you under the daily lows, gang. So yeah, so you guys can see my stop is just under here. Price can easily just come and retest this reason right here and then bounce to the upside, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated once this trade is either hit our stop loss or basically bounce to the upside. Okay, righty, gang, just an update on Aussie Cat. As you guys can see, price is basically now currently heading to the upside. So what I'm gonna wait for, guys, is to see if price will react on this level, and then price can maybe come to the downside. So that is why once price trading above this reason, I will put my stop loss at break even. This is Aussie Cat. So now, gang, let's take a look at our other pair, Aussie dollar. As you guys can see, Aussie dollar, right, Aussie dollar is currently now trading near our entry. So this pattern right here, as you guys can see, this looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Can easily make this market turn to the downside, but I just hope price can close above this reason right here for continuation to the upside, guys. As you guys can see, the account is currently now at 9,200. We're currently running pretty good. As you guys can see, Aussie Cat is currently in profit here at $75, and then we can see we at $9 here on Aussie USD. The profit that we're currently running in is $65. So yeah, guys, let's wait for this pair to do what it has to do. And as you guys can see, Aussie Cat is basically trying to do the most. Okay, righty, gang, just an update on Aussie Cat. As you guys can see, price is currently now trading at our entry. So let's see how this 4-hour candle will close right here. Right, if this 4-hour candle close under and it retests, then we probably will lose this trade, guys. Let's take a look at our Aussie dollar trade as well. As you guys can see, I did show you guys, if price respect this reason, right, we're gonna see something like this, what price is currently doing, this head and shoulders pattern right here. Our total profit is $65, and there we have Aussie Cat, Aussie USD. We are currently $10 right there in drawdown, and we have our $54 in drawdown here at Aussie USD, guys. So okay, righty, gang, just an update. As you guys can see, Aussie Cat did basically come and retest this reason right here, and we can see we have a beautiful 4-hour candle close right there. So I'm gonna keep this trade up and running. Maybe we can take profit anytime soon, but as you guys know, I'm basically swing trading this markets all of the time. Just an update, guys. As you guys can see, the account is still currently at $9,240, and there you can see our profit is at $22, and we can see our Aussie Cat and Aussie dollar trade is still running. Our Aussie Cat trade is currently $60, and our Aussie dollar is currently at $38, guys. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Remember, we currently at 9,200 and we currently at $19. Let's go. Okay, righty, gang, as you guys can see, the account is currently at 9,300. And there you guys can see we currently running in profit at $113. And we still have these two pairs open, Aussie CAD and Aussie dollar. As you guys can see, Aussie CAD is basically doing the most, and we can see we're currently running at $3 on Aussie USD. So as you guys can see here, pretty much we break out, retest, and now we can expect this pair still to continue to the upside, guys. But it's NFP week today, so most likely we can expect some really high volume here. So our stop is just under here, so most likely we hope for the best that price would not come hit our stop loss and then run to the upside. So if we take a look at our charts right now, guys, as you guys can see, I did basically say that we're gonna wait for price to close above and retest this area. So now we're currently trading above this region. So if we put it on 4-hour time frame right now, guys, on the 4/8, we can see basically this is basically what we was expecting. As you guys can see, we wait for price to close above this highs, retest. So now we can expect still some upwards move on this market, right, guys? So let's see. Okay, right, again, we got NFP coming out now anytime soon, guys. As you guys can see, non-farm payroll. So we're gonna have NFP now in 1 minute. So you guys can see we currently at $140 in profit. Our account is currently at 9,300, and we have our Aussie CAD in profit, and we also have our Aussie dollar in profit, guys. So let's see, once the NFP is about to come out, how price is going to behave. So yeah, guys, we can see the NFP just comes out right now. Oh shit, look at that. You can see the account is currently now at oh shit. Look at here, guys. Look at this thing. This runs straight. Oh shit. Look at Aussie CAD, guys. Look here, guys. Look at this profits. Fuck it. Damn. Look at that. Fucking no way, guys. NFP is gonna take out all of our hard work. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Will this thing return to the other side? Let's see, guys. Look at our profit. It's floating. Guys. Oh. You can see Aussie CAD is currently now $100 in drawdown. Damn, that was so fucking fast. Let's see. Let's look at our equity as well. Let's see. Fuck it. NFP, don't do that to me now, man. Don't do that to me now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. See how it's going now. Look here. This is Aussie CAD. I can see Aussie CAD $100 in drawdown. Oh wow, guys. Look at here. This is Aussie dollar. You can see here, guys, the stop loss is just under here. Oh wow. Look at this space while here. Aussie CAD, guys. Oh shit. Let's see what price we're gonna do. Oh well, guys, look at what the fuck happened here. $225. You can see $140 in drawdown. Aussie dollar. Look at our equity. This account is currently down right now. If we hit 880. And as you guys can see, we can't trading now close to our stop loss. Trading close to our stop loss yet. Aussie USD, guys. So yeah. Let's wait. Might hit our stop loss or not yet. Guys, not yet. Look at this. This is what NFP is basically doing to us right now. basically destroying the whole account. Oh, look at here. Look at Aussie Cat, guys. This is the trade that was basically leading us to the upside, but we're now trading close to our stop loss, guys. It's currently at 9,000 again, 8,000 again, 9,000 again. So look at our profits here. Look at here. Okay, righty gang, as you guys can see, the account is currently now at 8,900. We have no profits running, and we did lose all of that two trades, right? 150 for Aussie USD and Aussie Cat. As you guys can see right there, we currently lose this trade as well. So we basically done with this account, guys. I'm not gonna trade this account further because my account is currently blown. As you guys can see, we're currently trading at 8,900. And if you take a look at our charts right now, guys, we can see that price did basically respect this, and NFP just basically come and hit our stop loss. That is lesson learned. And as you guys can see on Aussie Cat as well, we did have a beautiful run. This was our trade that basically was keeping account to the upside, but then you guys can see NFP just come out and bam, hit our stop loss. So we're gonna start off with a new trading account, guys, and as you guys can see, we're gonna start off with a fresh funding phase 1 on a $10,000 account on the next episode, guys. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget about the giveaway of a $6,000 account that you are going to win, guys, on a giveaway. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like for our new episode. We're gonna announce the winners, guys. So let's go.